Hi everyone, in front of me I've got CUBOT Note 50 and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll to find the security. Let's tap on it. Then let's tap on more security settings and encryption and credentials. At the bottom of this list we've got the option we're looking for, or actually almost at the very bottom, so let's tap on it and tap on OK. Now let's confirm it with the screen lock, and as you can see, not only this information appeared, but also this option is inactive, which means that we just successfully removed all certificates. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.